Where am I? Where am I? JigSaw.
Hello, Eric. I'd like to play a game.
Wait a minute. Why? What?
I said I'd like to play a...
No, I heard what you said. Here's the question though. Why are you a dragon puppet?
Oh, well, yeah. Pretty much I got super angry because I kidnapped like a lot of people and give them all these hard tests and no one learns their lessons. So I got angry and threw the puppet on the floor. Puppet stock went down this month. But that's not important. What's important is that you learn your lesson and be punished for everything you've done.
Oh, okay, whatever. Your gig, I guess. So tell me, what do I do to get out of this?
Okay, there's a key hidden in the bathroom. You have 60 seconds to go and find it before that jaw thing snaps your head in. Like a bear trap that's reversed.
I know. Oh, thank...
What? How did you get out that fast?
This thing... Oh, that was easy. It's just a rubber band. Yeah, it was the only thing holding it together. See?
I thought no one would think of that. Everyone always looks for the stupid key. Alright, you passed test 1. But know this, it's only test 1. Prepare to play another game. Now go outside. Something you've never experienced.
Okay, I guess I'm free for this trap. Let's see what other stuff you got for me. Okay, JigSaw, what's the trap for this one?
Okay, Eric, after you've solved my first puzzle, this one is about your intelligence. On the fridge, there is a key in there hidden to unlock a door. It will lead you to the exit, but it is cold and sealed off into nitrogen mode. You go near it and you'll freeze, but the other key is in your arm. You have to use that screwdriver and go in your arm and get it, or go into the fridge and freeze. You have 30 seconds.
Okay. Okay, let me get this straight. You want me to either dig this into this fridge that has sub-zero temperature, which will probably freeze my hand the moment it goes in there, or to get that key, or go into my arm that has the cut in it. Well, has the key in it. Okay, both sound very painful, but I just realized there's no wound here that shows you opened my arm to put a key in there. So I know the only key's in the fridge. Yeah, well, I don't care. I don't care how cold this is. Okay. Got it. It's not really that cold. I mean, you set it to colder. See, it's on colder mode, not nitrogen.
But I find it cold.
Yeah. Not very effective.
No. Okay, but dang it, no one ever figures this out. Just wait there. No one ever figures this out. Okay, you passed my second test. You will have the final one to go out, go in, and enjoy your final puzzle and the final game.
Well, final puzzle, I guess. Okay, final trap. What is it this time, Jigsaw? What easy escape do I have this time?
Okay, Eric, you solved both my puzzles, but those were flukes. This one is the final one. The door is right next to you, and there is a bowl of acid. It contains the keys. In 60 seconds, those keys will melt. So you have to get your hand in and take the keys. But know this, one key is a fake, and the other is real. Can you find out which one is and which one isn't? You have 60 seconds. You may begin.
Well, Jigsaw, congratulations, you actually have a good plan here, because this one is actually going to be really hard to choose. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. I just realized something. I'm inside a house.
Yeah, obviously.
Yes. So that means that the door is on the opposite side.
I don't understand. I don't understand what you're trying to tell me.
Allow me to show you. Jigsaw, come here. See, there's no keyhole for me to unlock this door. So, in fact, I can just unlock it myself and leave.
Dang it. I forgot to call Jonathan this week. Forgot to tell him this week that he had to fix that door and swap it. Okay, can you just wait like 5 minutes? Just 5 minutes. I can get this all done in 5 minutes. Just stay there and think about what you've done.
Hi, Jigsaw. It's been an experience.
Wait, please don't go. I got Jonathan on the phone, please. Dang it. Yes, Jonathan. Yes, you won't have to come in for repairs. Yeah. Yeah.